Hey guys, Rob Sobek here with Dawn's Appliances. Today we're going to be covering why your dishwasher isn't draining and a common checklist to go through before calling for service. The number one issue is going to be you just got a dishwasher installed, you just got a disposal installed, you just got both installed. The first place to check is going to be inside the garbage disposal. Now this is going to be hanging from your sink, but for illustration purposes we have it uninstalled. Inside here where your drain would hook up to is a drain plug. You're going to knock that out. And now it's empty. Try to run your dishwasher now. The second course of action when your dishwasher isn't draining is to go under your sink cabinet here. Here's our dishwasher drain line. You'll see we have a high loop created with a jiffy clip on the back wall. We're creating an air gap so that the backed up water can go back down into the sump opposed to sitting inside of the line. If your drain is laying on the floor of your cabinet, it needs to be mounted up and running as high as it possibly can before draining out. The last thing you're going to want to check when your dishwasher isn't draining is go into the unit. We have our bottom rack pulled out here for this video, but in this dishwasher you'll see the two arrows. Cut away from it with a quarter turn and pull this filter out. You're going to want to clean these out with just some Dawn dish soap and some tepid water and scrub with a small brush. No need to put it through the dishwasher or anything beyond that. Clean them, put them back in. If you tried all of these things and your dishwasher still isn't draining, go to dawnsappliances.com and request service, or in other markets, call your local servicer.